So I just want to name the columns with new names. So this one F2, this will be called date. The next one is day number of week. Day name. Day number of month. Day number of year. Week number of year. Month name. Month of year. Quarter of year. And then this is just year. Now I just want to change the type on a few columns. So these ones here with the numbers, they're all whole numbers. They're currently decimal. So I'll select all these columns with the numbers. So I go to transform and change the data type here to whole number. So now they're whole number. And I'm going to load in the table into the main Power BI screen. So it's home, close and apply. So here are all the column names here. So it's in Power BI now.